It's currently 8:17 a.m. on Sunday morning, the 3rd of May, and this is the first video I'll be shooting for my new series, Becoming a 3 Months of Discipline. I decided to do this series so I can keep track and actually be accountable for the things I am planning to do, things I would love to achieve. And in 3 months, I would like to stay disciplined and also document that and let you guys be the judge if I actually achieved something. So I have like a series of things I would like to do in 3 months and actually stay focused and do it. And the first one is learning French. Yes, I know I've said this before. I don't know why. I just love the language and I just want to learn it. So I will be learning French for this 3 month span, learning French, and then of course learning bare metal embedded programming. What I do initially is Arduino programs, so I write Arduino code with the Arduino IDE, and that's like beginner version, like it's simplified. But now I want to write bare metal. I want to write actual C program. So I'll be learning that. And then of course I'm still a student. I have to write exams. So I have to read for my exams and also pass them. I can't fail. I mean, you have a choice. I can't fail at this point. So those are the 3 things I would like to achieve in the span of 3 months. And I would like you guys to be the judge of it, if I'm actually doing it right or not. So since this is the first episode and this is the first week of becoming I don't know what I'll be doing this week, but then we'll be starting with French. I don't know why I'm starting with French. I feel like I should start with embedded systems, but whatever, we'll put it all in all. No motivation, discipline. I was going to say if I feel like, whatever I feel like doing, but there's nothing I feel like now. You have to stay focused, stay disciplined. So I'll be starting off, of course, with French. Let me get my book. Hold on. Yeah, I have this book I printed out for French, like learning grammar and conjugation, stuff like that. I can kind of make little sentences out of French, like bonjour, je m'appelle Ayomiko, stuff like that. But that's like basic. I want to understand the nitty-gritty. So in case I go to Paris, Paris, in case I go one day, I'll be able to speak. So I'm starting off with studying all that. I'm practicing, of course. You guys should not laugh at my French. You're not allowed to laugh. So don't. I got STM32F4 11 CE. The name is too long. F4 series Sha. I just say Sha. I have to learn how to control that. Anyways, this is the F4 series, which is going to be used for the Udemy course I got, even though in the course they used STM32 Discovery Board, which is very expensive. It's like 40 something thousand, and I don't have that much money, so I just got the F4 series and a smaller one. I got a separate debugger. The other one has a debugger on it, onboard debugger, but this one I got a separate ST-Link V2. I don't know how I'm going to use it yet, but like I'll figure it out. We will figure it out. Yeah. So these are 2 things. And as I said, I am a student. I have to study. So studying books. I don't find studying for school fun anymore. So I just have to study to finish school. Don't go yet. This is just day 1. I have to show the entire week. So what we'll do tomorrow, we don't know. Today I'll be taking a quick break. Not like a break entirely. I'll be studying a little now, but like I'm going out. It was my birthday yesterday. Today we are going to be, having fun. There's an hangout and I have to go. I want to go. So I'll be taking a little break. Sorry about that. I know I said I'll be disciplined, but I will be. That's why I'm starting off French. currently 7:45 in the morning. It's Monday, and I have classes from 10 to 4 today, so I can't do much reading. Ignore my voice, it's kind of cracky. I just woke up. I woke up a little later than I used to because I slept really late yesterday. So I'm going to be at least doing a little bit of embedded systems, which is like connecting my ST-Link, my debugger to, oh my god, connecting it to my microcontroller, basically. Yeah, so I can like test it out and see if it works, and also watch at least one of the videos on Udemy. So yeah, so this is my STM2F4. So I have to connect these pins using the main red pin. I'm going to be using red for 3.3 volts because that's like industry standard. I don't know, just want to. There's number 7, just this, and then the black for GND, and there's number 4. There's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have this one, this left. Let's just connect SWDIU first. That's number 2. Now, a very important question. It says here SWSCK, but it says here SWCLK, which is clock. I don't know if SCK is the same thing as CLK. Now that's a good question I have to ask. So they are the same, I guess. That's number 6. And this is one of the things about learning yourself, self-learning. Kind of take a lot of risk, you know. Number 6. Let's confirm. Black to GND, white to CSCK, brown to DIO, and then red to revolt. So that's how you just connect it. It is currently 4 p.m. on Tuesday, and I am going to be continuing my embedded systems. I haven't had time since yesterday because I had classes yesterday, but today I had to go for taekwondo outreach, like awareness and stuff like that, because I also do taekwondo. So I just had time, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of embedded systems and watching more of my videos. But let's take a moment, pause, and talk about this heat. It's crazy. It's hot. I am hot. Like, it's very, very hot here. I need to get a fan. I really need to get a fan. So ignore the sweat if you're saying it.
TM is an optional application-driven trace source that supports printf style debugging.
It is currently Thursday morning, and I had some issues that I faced when I was taking the course because turns out my ST-Link doesn't have an SW pin, and that I need that to debug using printf statements, like print it to the screen. But since it doesn't have an SW pin, I'm unable to like follow the course accordingly. I tried other alternatives, but they were still all the same. Like, I was getting an issue, so it turns out I was going to do debugging other ways or other methods, I don't know, but not the normal one followed by the course. So I feel like there's still some issues I'll face in the future because I'm using a very cheap setup, and the course I'm using is using a discovery board, and since I can't afford a discovery board at the moment, I would have to just manage with my learning process using this. But for now, I'll just like continue the courses without having a printf statement or printf debugging. I don't know how I'm going to like do that well because I don't understand a lot of things, but yeah, at least I created my first project. This might probably be the last video I'm going to be doing for this week, but next week I should be better. And yes, my microphone spoke. Yeah, it's damaged. If you notice, the audio for this might be a little off. I had to like shoot when it was very quiet, but this doesn't turn on anymore. Wrong timing, really. Wrong timing for that. So yeah, a lot is just happening. Anyways, if this is my last video, bye for now. See you next week for a better version. But if this is not my last video, then see you tomorrow.